Merry Christmas, guys. How you guys doing? Welcome to this video right here. We're back. It's Christmas Day. It's a special time of the year. We've got some presents right here. Presents right there. Yeah, it's Christmas right now, to be honest with me. And yeah, this could be one of the most vulnerable time of the year. And now I'm going to open these stock of this thing right here. So because this is one of those what it is. So that'll be a great one as well because now is to get prepared for whatever it is. So will be a good one. So you could do it over uh, your one. Here we are. This one right here. Thank you. This first present, this is the first present right here. It is what it is because that was supposed to opening presents. So I'm gonna open it myself. Now I'm gonna open the first present. So will be a good time to all by all. So yeah, that's what I say. Okay, let's open the first one, shall we? Here we are. This is England 90s. Here we are. Little DVD right here. That's pretty cool. So that is. The next one, right here, it's the Smarties. The top of the Smarties. Right here. Top of the Smarties. Smarties. Yeah. Swap. So. And the next one, I'm going to put in. Oh, yeah. It's a hologram, a fish, Usilla. That's brilliant. You know, that is amazing. It feels like a 3D style of it. It's, you know, that it was 3D comes from the 3D comes from as well. This is those amazing. It's a Belgian white chocolate coins. Woo-hoo. Yeah. White chocolate coins are always themed chocolate coins. So you know that is, yeah. So that was pretty brilliant. Okay, the next one. Well, what is the next one's going to be like as well? Because I know where it is. Oh.
Photo, George?
Yeah. That's cool. Brilliant. That's brilliant.
Alright?
Yeah. And let's see the next one. Also a little bit bright here as well. The
Bit
light.
bright.
This one. Let's see the next one.